everyone, all of my beautiful people. Is your one and only Lady J. Mambonga people, I did travel, I did side train, I did go my home with my family. Mambonga people, you know easy boo. Today, I don't know my face, so we dey inside train. We dey travel. Today, the stress, I beg. I don't know my face, the stress not be small one at all. I want to go celebrate Christmas with my sister in Mannheim. Anyway, we want to go see her sha. And our daughter they do birthday tomorrow. I know say this corona. Now get together. Now everybody they do now, you know. Don't be smart bro.
Stop doing that.
Mongol people. Unande, happy Christmas in advance. So now they see the train they move, they move. How are you people celebrating your Christmas? Are you going to travel? Are you going to Nigeria? Some people are going to Nigeria, some people are going to Europe country, you know, because the train is still working. Before I think say train not go work. I can't be surprised when I go say train they work. I say I be this they say train not go work. It surprised me safe. It is surprise me. I want to go when I hear lockdown. I want to return my ticket before, so they can't say train go work or man not return. In case you want travel, if you go travel, train they work. Train they work. My people, train they work. And I want them my children show, so that is why they suffer they do like this because they want distracting me. They go my bonga people, I say make I tell you, I say I'm not there around. In case I don't need to upload, Mona no say I know they around. Thank you, my bonga people. I say make I tell you now before when I begin the expect video from me, you know. Thank you and bye. Maybe I'll be doing live video on the birthday, but because of the music, that be the problem. The music, maybe if they play music or if they maybe they're not gonna see play because of this lockdown, you know. Thank you, my bonga people. Bye. Bye.